Welcome to Trip Trove. Did you know that gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing yourself? Today, we're exploring how gardening can improve your mental health, boost your physical well-being, and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a total beginner, there's something here for everyone. Let's dig in. First, let's talk about mental health. Gardening has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. The act of nurturing plants helps you stay present, calm your mind, and find a sense of purpose. Spending time outdoors in natural light and fresh air is a proven mood booster. Think of it as therapy, but with dirt under your nails. Beyond stress relief, gardening also fosters mindfulness. Planting seeds, watering, and watching your garden grow is a slow, deliberate process that connects you to the rhythms of nature. It teaches patience and reminds us that growth, whether in plants or ourselves, takes time. Next, gardening has incredible benefits for physical health. Did you know that even 30 minutes of light gardening can burn calories and improve your flexibility? Activities like digging, weeding, and raking get your body moving while being gentle on your joints. Plus, growing your own vegetables or herbs ensures you have fresh, organic produce right at your fingertips. Speaking of food, gardening is also a step toward sustainability. When you grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, you reduce your reliance on store-bought produce, which often travels hundreds of miles to reach your plate. This cuts down on your carbon footprint while saving money. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Now let's get practical. How can you start gardening even if you have no experience or limited space? Start small. If you're a beginner, try growing herbs like basil, mint, or parsley. They're easy to maintain, grow quickly, and can be used in your cooking. All you need is a sunny windowsill, some soil, and a pot. If you have outdoor space, consider starting a vegetable garden. Pick beginner-friendly crops like tomatoes, lettuce, or zucchini. These plants thrive with minimal effort and give you a bountiful harvest in return. For those in urban areas with no yard, container gardening is your best friend. Use pots, buckets, or even repurposed jars to grow plants on a balcony, rooftop, or patio. You'd be amazed how much you can grow in a small space. Now let's talk about composting. This might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Composting turns kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. It's a great way to reduce waste and give your plants the nourishment they need to thrive. Gardening also brings a wonderful sense of community. Joining a local gardening group or community garden can help you connect with others, share tips, and even trade plants or seeds. It's a great way to make friends while contributing to a collective green space. And don't forget the joy of flowers. While edible plants are practical, flowers bring color, beauty, and pollinators to your garden. Planting flowers like marigolds, sunflowers, or lavender can attract bees and butterflies, creating a thriving ecosystem in your backyard. Gardening is a lifelong skill that benefits your health, your wallet, and the environment. Whether you're looking to ease stress, grow fresh food, or live more sustainably, gardening has something to offer everyone. If you're ready to grow your way to better health, hit the like button and subscribe to Trip Trove for more tips on sustainable living and wellness. Share your gardening successes or questions in the comments. We'd love to hear about your journey. Thank you for watching Trip Trove. Until next time, happy gardening. Keep planting seeds for a healthier, happier life.